With Michigan Career Quest, it's been huge on the west side of the state. It's been in Grand Rapids the last 5 or 6 years. This is the first time that they've had it in southeastern Michigan. What it is they break it into quadrants, so information technology, health sciences, construction management, a lot of your skilled trade and other occupations, and also engineering. And what they're trying to do is expose kids with the hands-on activities of possible careers that are out there. So each one of the quadrants, students spent about 27 minutes in, and they had probably about 40 or 50 vendors or companies within each quadrant. So the kids were able to go around and touch and feel and ask questions and learn about the different occupations, which opens a lot of kids' eyes. It gives them the exposure to careers they might not have known about. I signed up our school for 150 slots. We were able, lucky enough, when it opened up in August, to kind of secure those spots for our students. It took a lot of people working together to make it happen. Next year, I'm bringing 1,000 kids, and I'm not kidding when I say we're going to bring 1,000. I think every junior and senior should be able to kind of access that field trip, and then also sprinkle some 9th and 10th graders in there so we can create exposure and awareness and help motivate our kids.
I think the MiCareerQuest was very big, very amazing. It was real, gave real opportunities.
Well, I thought it was interesting because I didn't expect it to be that big. I mean, the first section, I thought we were just going in that one section until they led us to another one. And then I was like, well, that's really big.
MiCareerQuest was very informative. It taught me a lot of things that I didn't know was going on in Michigan.
I know personally I'm interested in engineering, and so it was a really cool experience to meet engineers from different companies, and they shared information about what they did. So we gained more knowledge on what we want to go into.
It's definitely eased a whole lot of worries and anxieties that I have, and I feel like that would do the same for other kids. The fact that they were split up into quadrants were great, and it's you go to each group that deals with a certain profession and you get to ask questions.
My favorite quadrant was the health part because it was just so interesting. They engage with you, they let you work with them, they let you touch stuff.
My favorite quadrant was engineering, because I'm kind of interested in that, oh, what's this, something new. My favorite quadrant was the manufacturing quadrant. I definitely felt like that would be something that I would want to pursue in the future.
In the health sciences, they were kind of performing a fake surgery, and I think that was really cool. So it wasn't they were just standing behind a board and talking the whole time. You actually had stuff in front of you.
Well, I learned about there is a lot of different types of jobs around the United States.
When I went to the medical profession, I found out there's a whole job just dedicated to cleaning the instruments. And it's yeah, I know that the instruments need to be clean and, for the safety of everyone, but I didn't know hey, you gotta go to school and you gotta get qualified for that.
But in the health sciences, they did some stuff that I didn't know that they do. I met an anesthesiologist that told me about how they had to do 4 years of nursing before they became anesthesiologists, and I did not know that.
My dad has a lot of heart problems. I learned what happens when he has a heart attack and what they do to help him and slow down his heart, so that was very interesting.
At DTE, I learned that they have this program to where they can shut off your electricity easily. So if you have a fire, then they can turn it off so it won't travel.
I think it was really, really worth it. You don't really get opportunities that often to go see the career you want to do and get information on it.
It's definitely something if I did have the opportunity to do it again, I would.
Everybody should go, especially if you're in school. In high school and you don't know what you want to do, that is good to go and help you get a thought in your mind or idea.
Definitely, I would recommend it to my peers because, a lot of people don't know what they want to be in life. So, that's a great opportunity to be hey, we got jobs open, there's jobs. If you don't want to do college, then you got these jobs. If you do want to do college, then you got these jobs. So yeah, because a lot of peers don't know what they want to be still. It provides what you never thought that you would need.